Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair from this to this. As most of you guys know, I have naturally curly hair. I wear my natural curls every day, but NuMe and I are partnering in this video to show you how I straighten it when I do. So it's been over a year since I straightened my hair. That is a really long time. As most of you guys know, in my past, I used to straighten my hair a lot. I actually straightened it so much that I damaged my hair. So I don't do it super often. I maybe straighten my hair once or twice a year, but when I do, I trust NuMe. This straightener works so well. It has a smooth finish and has a cute textured pattern on the bottom for a good grip. There's a small light on the front that turns red when it's plugged in, and it gets hot in seconds. It has a fully rotating swivel power cord, which is helpful if you tend to move around a lot and you don't want to get wrapped up in the cord like I do sometimes. The plates are 100% ceramic stone, which disperse quick and even heat. The benefit is the heat penetrates quickly into the hair shaft, which smooths down the hair's cuticle and means less heat exposure on your hair and quicker styling time. It has an on and off switch and a dial temperature control that goes up to 450 degrees and as low as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Some people with natural curls prefer not to straighten their hair at all. I am not a stickler. I think my hair is healthy. It is not damaged. So if I do it very, very, very rarely, then I'm going to be fine. So if your hair is in a healthy state and you already straighten it occasionally, definitely recommend the NuMe Silhouette Straightener. So if you're interested, don't forget to check the description box below. I have a 20% off coupon just for you guys. So if you'd like to see how I got my hair like this, then just keep watching. So the only thing that I have in my hair right now is leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant spray. I definitely recommend that if you're putting heat to your hair. I'm also going to be adding the Not Your Basic End Sealer from NuMe, and I'm gonna put that on my ends before I start straightening my hair, just because it'll protect my ends from the heat and keep them moisturized and conditioned. So I'm going to section my hair just to make sure that each piece gets straightened evenly. So the straightener goes up to 450, so I'm probably going to put it somewhere around 430. Now I'm going to take a small section of my hair and start straightening it. I'm going to use this comb to get out any tangles before I do it. Wow, after just one pass, it's really smooth. All right, hopefully we can continue just using one pass. The less the better. So just FYI, the steam you see from the straightener is just from the products I put in my hair earlier. That's the heat's reaction to remove excess moisture. It doesn't do that the whole time though, because I eventually lowered the heat later on. Okay, so that's it for the first section. As you saw, I did it really quickly. I passed it over each section of my hair only one time, and it made it really soft and silky smooth. So I am liking this so far, and I'm going to continue with the rest of the sections. So since my hair is straightening really easily, I lowered the heat to about 350 just because I feel like my hair doesn't need that much heat to straighten. So yeah. This is really crazy how fast it works, and my hair feels so soft and like super light. It feels really, really light. So what I've been doing is just using my fingers to detangle the section if there's any knots, and then using this comb to comb through this section first while I'm straightening. my baby hairs always give me a problem when I straighten my hair, so I'm gonna have to like lay these edges down once I'm finished. As you can see, for the most part, I only had to use the straightener once per section. Some parts were harder than others, so I did have to use it a couple of more times in certain areas, but for the most part, the straightener does do a really good job of just straightening your hair with one pass. Okay, I'm all finished, and wow. I have not seen myself with straight hair in over a year, guys, so this is kind of crazy for me, but this straightener is the truth. It really does a great job. My hair feels so smooth. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of the Gloss Boss to kind of seal everything in. So I'm just using 2 pumps. They say to warm it up in your hands first and then apply it to your hair. So very gently, because I don't want to get any sections like too glossy or for it to look greasy or anything. So I lightly put it on my ends first. And then gently work my way up to the top. My hair looks great and it feels great, so I am pretty happy with the results. Of course, I don't straighten my hair often at all, but when I do, I will be going back to this NuMe straightener because it is the best straightener I've ever used. This really is the quickest, most efficient straightener. It took less than an hour to do my whole head of hair, which usually takes me sometimes an hour to an hour and a half. I really like the results. So let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.